Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the classification of the vertebrata. The vertebrata, they are called because of the presence of the vertebral column, they are called as vertebrates, right? The vertebrate is divided into agnata and gnata. First of all, gnata means jaw. Agnata means agnata, absence of jaw. That is, they are called jawless. And gnata, which bear jaw. Again, the agnata is called jawless and gnata is called the jaw bearing. The agnata is divided into ostracodermy and cyclostomata. Ostracodermy and cyclostomata. In the NEET textbooks, they only describe about the cyclostomata because the ostracodermy animals or the organisms have extinct. The cyclostomata are exclusively marine and they act as parasites, that is exoparasites. That means they live on the body of the another fishes. Okay. For spawning, during spawning time, they undergo anadromous migration. Then what is meant by anadromous migration? We know that they are exclusively marine, so they move from the marine to the freshwater during spawning time. Spawning means breeding time, to lay eggs or to give birth. They move to the freshwater. Okay, then coming to the gnata, it is classified into Pisces. First one, Pisces and tetrapods. Right? Pisces means the organisms which bear fins. Fins are present for mostly fishes, right? The Pisces is again classified into chondrichthyes, that means cartilaginous fishes, and ostrichthyes, bony. And again third one is also there, placodermy, but the placodermy is not discussed in NCERT because it was extinct. Placodermy was extinct in Pisces. Two extinct classes are there, that is ostracodermy in jawless fishes and placodermy, right? Coming to the tetrapods, which bear limbs, are called tetrapods. Tetra means 4. Pods means limbs or foot. The tetrapods is again classified into amphibians, reptiles and aves, mammals. Coming to the mammals, the organisms which produce milk, that means they are having the capability to feed their young ones. Those organisms comes under mammals. Kangaroo, humans, etc. Coming to the aves, birds. Birds are considered as aves, that is the organism bearing wings or feathers. Feather bearing organisms. Hence flying organisms, animals. Reptiles. The crawling animals such as snake, crocodile. Coming to the amphibians, the term indicates bi means 2. That means they can live in both land and water. Coming to the botany, amphibians of the plant kingdom, bryophytes, right? In the same way in this also. Coming to the Pisces, Pisces consists of cartilage fishes, that is the exoskeleton is made up of cartilage in them. Chondrichthyes and bony fishes. Ostrichthyes, the endoskeleton in them is made by bone. And as I said before, Placodermi, it was an extinct class, right? Fins. In the next videos, I'll discuss about fins. The fins are of two types: paired and unpaired fins. Again, paired fins are pectoral and pelvic fins. Unpaired, caudal, dorsal, and ventral. I'll discuss about them in the next class clearly. So, vertebrata, which consist of vertebral column, is divided into agnatha and gnatha. Agnatha, jawless and bearing jaws. Again, they are classified into ostracoderma and cyclostomata. Cyclostomata exclusively marine exoparasites and anadromous migration, that is from marine to freshwater for spawning. Coming to the gnatha, pisces and tetrapods, right? Pisces means which bear fins and divided into cartilaginous and bony fishes. Placoderma is extinct, right? In them, ostracoderma is extinct. Tetrapods, which bear limbs, amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammals. Amphibians, which live in the land and water. Reptiles are crawling animals. దాని మీద పాకుతాయి అంటారు కదా, పాములు ఇవన్నీ అవి. ఏవ్స్, బర్డ్స్ which bear feathers. Mammals, which are having ability to feed their young ones. Okay, thank you here.